second year doing the PhD, and I still have 2 more years to go on my PhD. So in a moment, to show you all the highlights of every and each site we shall visit. And then after the guided tour, 10 pounds, 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 20 pounds, just to spend in US dollars everywhere you go. Because some of my previous lovely travelers, once they arrive to Egypt, first thing that they do, they go to the bank, they exchange like, okay? After you do that, you're gonna walk the same way you came from, okay? Same way in, same way out. How long it takes? Around 20 minutes. That's the Great Pyramid, and the one on the left, that's the second pyramid. And the third pyramid you can see just far in the left side. These are the 3 pyramids. If you want to go back down, pay me $100, US dollars. Otherwise, you're going to be up there. So, my lovely traveler, we got really panicked. It's made of alabaster, and it does weigh 80 ton of one block of alabaster. It's amazing. And we're going to see the biggest statue, one of the biggest. Covered over by clusters, came back down here, they finished building the pyramids, and they removed the sand away from the site. So that spot.
Couldn't breathe.
You stay behind.
By the third pyramid. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I would like all of you just to have a look at the left-hand side. You're gonna see like a remnants of an ancient temple. We call the temple the Valley Temple of Khufu. This is the Valley Temple of the Great Pyramids. And this is where they believed that the dead body of the pharaoh was mummified. You can see the ruins of the temple. So now I would like all of you to look at the left side of the bus. Can you see the small pyramids? These are the 3 small pyramids I was talking about. We call them the Queen Pyramids. Queen Pyramids. And here we have the second pyramid to the left-hand side. These are the second pyramids. The entrance of the second pyramid is on the left side from the ground level. You can see like a wooden kiosk. Can you see that kiosk? Not to lose any blocks from the top. So it was built, designed to be 136 meters and still 136 meters. So the height of the Great Pyramid, remember how? 137 today. 137, so it's 1 meter difference today.
يوم راحوا السعوديه جابوا لي معاهم سجاده حتى.
Anyone wants to try the calendar? All right.
Do they take cardinal or like that?
ده مش مربوط كويس echa menos cuarto.
But there is one restriction for the young people. In order to study in this school, and I found that all these carpets are coming from the school that we are going to, because it has the name of the school, which is the one that we're gonna visit, the first pyramid ever built in the history. Worker, stop working immediately. Stop working. Because if we go with the same inclined angles we started from the bottom, it's going to collapse same as the previous one. Because I believe the pyramid is like a big sign for all rivers. Where is the mummy of the pharaoh? Am I right? Where is the treasures? Where is...
Outside to outside, and around the right here from outside to inside, and then pull it down, then start it off like this. They are trying to show off right now. They eat the leaves of mulberry trees for like 28 days. After that, they start forming the cocoons around themselves like this way. More times than simple parents. So in case of the materials which are used here, they are wool and cotton.